In this video, I will show you how to clone a GitHub repository. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright guys, open up your repository. So I've got Stick Cricket here. So I want to go ahead and clone this repository. So now to clone this, I'm going to click on the green code button here. And then under local, it says clone. So I want to copy this HTTPS. So I'm going to click on copy URL to clipboard. Now what we want to do is create a folder on our local drive. So what I'm going to do is open up my file explorer. I'm going to go to C drive. Now I want to create a new folder inside my C drive. So I'm going to click on right click and then click on new and click on folder. And I'm going to call this sample. Now what you want to do from here is open up that folder. And now what you want to do is copy here. So C drive sample, I'm going to copy that. Now what we want to do is clone the repository into this folder. And to do so, we need to use git bash. So I'm going to go ahead and open up git bash like so. I've got a video of how to download and install git bash. If you don't know how to do that, check out my videos. Now I'm going to write in cd Control V that folder, and now I'm going to press enter. On C drive we have created sample folder here, and now what you want to do here is type in git clone and then go back to the repository and copy this. So I'm going to copy URL, I'm going to head back, I'm going to paste it here. Well, it's not letting me paste, I'm going to paste it and then end it and then press enter. Oh, I made a mistake. I'm going to do this again. So git clone space, I'm going to paste it in again and end it and then press enter. So now it's saying cloning into my Stick Cricket game. So here it is here in my sample folder. So if I go double click into here, and there you go. As you can see, it's cloning into Stick Cricket 2D. And here it is here. So if I go back to sample, click in the Stick Cricket 2D. And also here, if I type in ls, hit enter, it has been copied. So that's it for this tutorial guys. Thanks for watching.